And if they do fall asleep in class, once again, the balls come in handy because I can use that to wake them up. Hi, I'm Jared Eberhard. I'm here to show you my essentials as professor of supply chain management. First essential for me is a laptop computer. That might sound pretty boring, but as a supply chain management professor, we teach our students how to solve problems and how to make decisions. And we do a lot of that in tools that come in the laptop. We are pulling data, solving problems, making models, and we're doing some amazing things. We want to make sure every single one of our students gets a job when they graduate. And we do a lot of things in the computer, such as networking through LinkedIn. LinkedIn's a powerful tool where we can hook our students up with people from all around the world that we know, and they can find some awesome jobs that way, preferably finding those jobs before they even get posted. My second essential is a bucket of tennis balls. The reason is because I'm not naturally a professor. I've only been teaching for a while. I spent all my time in the industry, and while in the industry, I learned better from doing than from hearing people talk. And so that's what I like to do. I like to use these things for object lessons. We set up production lines. We teach different principles of supply chain management. We get our students interactive and engaged so that no one's falling asleep in class. Next essential for me is a bowling ball. For me, it's a method of releasing stress. You've got to have that. This is a stressful world, and especially if you do go into a business environment, you're going to be solving problems and dealing with conflicts and other things that happen, and you need to find some sort of outlet. And I choose bowling as one of my outlets. I participate in a weekly employee bowling league, and it's one of the highlights of my week as far as stress relief and getting me back in check again. My last essential is a motorcycle helmet. And that's actually what this represents, which is the motorcycle itself. Once again, stress doesn't happen just once a week. It happens all semester long. It happens all week long. I love that I can jump on my motorcycle for my ride to work and my ride home. I don't live very far away, and yet sometimes it takes me 30 minutes to get home because my motorcycle just takes me down different paths and different roads and out towards the mountains, and it's a wonderful thing. These are my essentials for teaching here. If you are good at solving problems, making decisions, if you like a little bit of unknown, if you like to have some stress in your life and have good ways of overcoming that stress, think about supply chain management.